Hey there, seekers of connection. Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today, we're venturing into a topic that's bound to pique your interest: how to make her think about you all the time. Creating an unforgettable presence in someone's mind is a journey of depth and authenticity. But before we dive into these fascinating insights, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you're always in the loop with our enlightening content. Let's unravel the secrets of leaving a lasting impression together. Ready to become a constant presence in her thoughts? Let's explore the steps you can take to leave a mark that she can't ignore. Step 1. Create memorable experiences. Memories are powerful triggers. Plan unique experiences that resonate with her passions and interests. These shared moments will become anchors in her mind. Step 2. Be an active listener. Listening with genuine interest can create a deep connection. Pay attention to her stories, dreams, and concerns. It shows that you value her thoughts and feelings. Step 3. Showcase authenticity. Authenticity is magnetic. Be yourself, and let her see your true colors. When you're genuine, she'll feel a real and lasting connection. Step 4. Leave thoughtful reminders. Small gestures leave big impressions. Send thoughtful texts, share articles related to her interests, or remember important dates. These reminders show you're thinking of her. Step 5. Spark intellectual conversations. Engage her mind with stimulating conversations. Discuss intriguing topics, share ideas, and ask thought-provoking questions. Intellectual connection is unforgettable. Step 6. Be supportive of her goals. Show genuine interest in her ambitions and dreams. Offer encouragement, celebrate her successes, and be her cheerleader along the journey. Step 7. Surprise her spontaneously. Spontaneous surprises keep the excitement alive. Unexpected gifts, spontaneous dates, or a surprise visit can make her think about you even when you're not around. Step 8. Be confident but humble. Confidence is magnetic, but humility is endearing. Strike a balance between the two. A self-assured yet humble demeanor leaves a lasting impression. Step 9. Make her laugh. Laughter is a bond builder. Share jokes, funny stories, and light-hearted moments. Your ability to make her laugh will keep you in her thoughts. Step 10. Create inside jokes. Inside jokes are intimate markers of shared experiences. They create a unique connection that others can't replicate, making her think of you whenever they come up. These steps can help you become an indelible presence in her mind. Remember, genuine connections are built over time and rooted in authenticity. Thank you for joining me on this insightful journey into the art of making her think about you all the time. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might benefit from these insights. And, of course, subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. If you have thoughts or experiences to share, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Stay tuned for more enlightening insights, and until next time, may you create memories and connections that linger in hearts. See you soon.